The story goes like this. Isa sa mga tribo sa Israel, naghahanap sila ng lupa na pwede nilang tirahan. And this is the tribe of Dan. Lahat sila binigyan. Si tribe of Dan binigyan din ng mga list of territories na dapat nilang i-occupy. The problem with the tribe of Dan is hindi nila kayang i-occupy yung lugar kasi merong mga matitinding kalaban. They don't have what it takes because they don't have enough faith in order to conquer the land. Now, the problem is, instead of taking the land, they went to a different place. They want to settle for something na mas hindi ganong kahirap pero hindi binibigay sa kanila ng Panginoon. Now, the thing is, halfway, they met this guy, a Levite, peking priest. Although he's from the priestly tribe, but he was hired by Micah, who is an idolater, para maging high priest ng kanyang kulto. Now, sabi nila dito sa priest na to, baka naman pwede mo kaming bigyan ng oracle kung magiging successful yung mission namin. Now, without any hesitation, this guy told them, don't worry, no, pagpapalaing kayo. You guys are gonna be successful in your mission. So, they went up north. They reached this place called Laish. Now, Laish, yung mga tao doon, nananahimik, walang kamuang-muang. Inosente in short. What they did is they killed everyone, pinatay nila. Now, the problem is, itong lupain na to, hindi ito binibigay sa kanila ng Panginoon. Now, what happened later on is that because they live in this place, they were very near itong region of Bashan where Mount Hermon is located. Mount Hermon is actually the center of idolatry. And needless to say, pati sila naging idolaters. And what happens is, since nasa norte sila, later on, when the Assyrians conquered Israel, sila yung unang nalunok ng Assyria. So the reason why I'm sharing the story, it's because makikita nyo naman sa story that God wants the best for His people. Pero kailangan din natin paghirapan kung ano man yung blessing na binibigay sa atin ng Panginoon. If you take shortcuts, this is exactly what's going to happen. Dahil sa kagustuhan ng mga Danites, makuha kaagad itong lupain na napakaganda na to na hindi naman binibigay sa kanila ng Panginoon, pinatay nila ang mga tao. And that's exactly what happens to people. Dahil sa sobrang kasakiman, they're gonna do everything in order to acquire something that doesn't belong to them, that God doesn't want them to have. And they're gonna suffer the consequences later on tulad ng mga Danites. Mapapalayo sila sa Panginoon, and at the same time, they're gonna be destroyed by their enemies. And with that, God bless.